breaking morning slowly, waking up with the sweet sound of the birds, reading books and sipping coffee. I forgot how much I love getting lost in words. Well, it took us a while to get here. It took the world falling apart, but maybe we needed to take a step back to remember how lucky we are. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. Spend our evenings telling stories and playing games like we were all kids again, sitting on the front porch laughing. It's gotta be the finest medicine. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight that's keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long, this long. It's like time is falling asleep in the afternoon, sunlight is keeping us warm. Against our will, we're finally sitting still and savoring the days before they're gone. I wonder how it took us this long. This long.
Tell you I'm leaving. How long can I stay? I tell you I'm shaking. How long till it goes away? I tell you I'm broken. How long can I stand on my feet? I tell you I'm trying, but how much is enough for me? I bring you roses to your place, surround you with angels to guide your when I want. I tell you I'm leaving, but how long can I stay? I tell you I'm shaking. How long till it goes away? I tell you I'm broken. for me. I'll bring you roses to your plate, surround you with angels to guide your way. When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in my head, you show. When I'm fighting myself, I hope you can reach my love. When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in my head, you show. When I'm fighting myself, I hope you can reach my love. When I'm struggling so bad, I'm lost in my head, you show.
I had it all figured out, knew which road I would go down. Thought I could do it all on my own, but then you came around. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. Well, I had the mountains on my mind, but I was supposed to find someone to share these moments with, someone to share this ride. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that love was a good detour. Love was a good detour. 'Cause all the beautiful places I've been and all the dreams that I've been chasing, what would they mean if I hadn't taken the long way around? I found you. I found you. When fate has its way and things fall into place, all the plans you made don't make sense anymore. Honey, I am sure that your love was a good detour. Love was a good detour.
Maybe we'll make the millions or have ourselves some children. Oh, what our love could do. Maybe we'll live in Vegas or a house with picket fencing. Oh, what our love could do. If I got you, babe, you got me. There ain't nothing we couldn't be. From year 1 to year 52. Oh, what our love could do. Maybe we'll pick up fishing, start a family business. Oh, what our love could do. Maybe we'll find some best friends, or a dog named Fred, and that's it.